Keshav, and when I'm not producing music, you can find me right here in the kitchen making healthy meals, high protein, low carb, slapping with flavor. This is Quarantine Cookery with Keshav. Alright, don't mind my board is staying up from beats, but we're gonna do something really simple, functionally healthy, quick, and done in the oven. So I find that Spanish thyme is a really underutilized herb, seeing that we have it so readily available in Trinidad and Tobago, which is where I'm from and living and where most of you are watching from, right? So we're going to use it almost as a principal ingredient in this baked chicken. So Spanish thyme, a whole heap of garlic, a whole heap of ginger, black pepper, red chili powder, some dehydrated coconut, salt, a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of turmeric, and some pepper sauce, because we ain't able to cutting up all them peppers right now. So we have our chicken cleaned, and literally we're just going to go in with everything now. All the cut up stuff from the board, the chilies, the salt. Everything's gonna go in one time because it's just gonna marinate and bake together in the oven. A bit of soy sauce, a bit of turmeric for some nice color, not too much. The coconut, and a little bit of pepper sauce to taste. I like it peppery. And literally we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil because we want this to bind together and stick on. And you're gonna get your hands dirty, just literally rub it all in. Look how pretty that looks. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna preheat the oven to 400 degrees and pop this right in, cover it for 35-40 minutes, then uncover it and put it on to broil until we get a nice brown skin on the outside. Okay, everything's in there. It's now going to go in the oven, which is preheated to 400. And we cover it simply. We don't want to cover it too tight. Then breathe a little bit. There we go. Just rest it on top. Leaving that for 35 minutes. Alright, so it's taking a little bit longer to cook because of the amount of pieces in there, but it's getting nice and brown still. I took off the covering, and we're going to leave it to bake a little bit uncovered for a while, and then we're going to blast it with broil at the end to get the right color. Okay, we're gonna give them a little baste. Small little baste. Give each of the pieces a nice little bit of love. Just to reinfuse some moisture into them a tiny bit, right? And we're gonna give them a little broil. Okay, we just want to broil it enough to give it a little kiss of extra brown, beautiful color. And there we have it. Garlicky, gingery, Spanish thymy, zinging with flavor, baked chicken, and it goes perfectly with a very healthy rice replacement of cauliflower rice.